Hi lovely people, welcome to Ama's Corner. Today at my kitchen I'm going to show you how to make kenkey. In Ga they call it komi. Komi keke na komi keke na komi keke na Don't forget to always wash your hands with soap. Use your hand sanitizers and stay safe. I'll be right back. So making kenkey, we have three ingredients that we're going to use for today. We have fermented corn. So to get a fermented corn, you can use the corn powder. You ferment it for 3 to 4 days and to be fermented. So our second ingredient is our dry corn leaf. So in Ghana, the traditional way of making this dry leaf, they mostly take off the skin of the fresh one, dry it up to get this color. But Ama's Corner got a secret and the simplest way of getting this without drying it up. When you get the fresh corn, you just have to peel off the leaves. You put it on fire, then you boil it, and you're going to get exactly the same color. So if you want to store it as well, you can just put it in the freezer for as long as you want, and you will still have your fresh dry corn leaves for your cake. And my last ingredient is salt to give it a taste. Without wasting much time, we're going to start with our measuring of our fermented corn. Then we start with our kenkey. At this point, I'm going to measure 6 cups of corn dough, fermented corn dough. This is my cup, and that is 1 cup. I'm going to cook 2 cups, and I'm going to measure 4 cups, and we use it to mix the cooked one after it's done. So let's start with our measurement. So you have to make sure you get the accurate measurement. So 1, this is the 2 cups of corn dough that I'm going to cook as banku. And we're going to measure the 4 cups, the raw one. So this is 4 cups of the corn dough. I'm going to leave this one aside, and we cook the 2 cups. At this point, I'm going to mix my corn dough with water. I'm going to measure 2 cups of water because we want our banku to be very soft. 1 cup, 2 cups. So during the cooking process, when we need more water, we will add more water to it because we want our kenkey to be very, very, very soft and very yummy. I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. So in total, we got 3 cups of water. And for the salt, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. You have to be careful. Now my mixed corn dough goes on fire. Then we start with our kenkey. You are going to stir your mixed corn dough till it becomes a bit hard. So when it turns like this, you start to drive it. Gently and slowly. It's really soft, so I'm not going to add any water to it. So it's cooked. Gonna leave it on fire for 5 minutes. Now you can see my benku it's ready. We are going to take it off from the fire, then we mix it up with the raw corn dough. Okay, this takes only 10 minutes to do it, you know, no hard work. At this point, I'm going to mix the cooked corn dough, which is the banku, with the raw corn dough. Yeah, so that we can mix it up properly and start with our kenkey balls. So you just have to put it in. It's really hot, very, very hot. Because it's hot, I'm not going to use my hands at the moment. I'm just going to use the wooden spoon to mix it up with the raw one. Now I'm using my hands. It's really hot, but I need to mix it really well, so you need to be very careful. Okay, after mixing the raw corn dough with the cooked one, this is the texture you're going to get to make your kenkey. Yeah, so guys, now the difficult part of this kenkey making, it's done. Now it's fun time, the making, the creating of the banku into the leaves to make kenkey. Shake it. So before we start, you grab your leaf like this. So this is how you're going to hold your leaf. You have to get water outside to dip your hands in, then you create a ball. So it depends on how big you want your kenkey to be. So you do it like this. You put it in and you mold it, you know. You wash your hands. You get another leaf to cover everything up. This is how it should be. And you do this, and you open in between the leaves. You create a little hole, then you drag this one in there, then you close it up again, and the molding of your kenkey, it's done. So we're going to do this to all the other ones. Now we're going to cook our kenkey, but before we cook our kenkey, we need to put some of the dry corn leaves underneath the pot. This is because we don't want our kenkey to get burnt, and it takes a long time to cook with a high heat, so you have to make sure you put some leaves underneath. Yep, I think this is enough. Now we're going to put our kenkey in. I made 6 balls of kenkey, and it's for 6 serve. Yeah, so this is how you're going to arrange. Okay, we're going to add water to it. Now we're going to turn on the heat. Then we cover our kenkey and leave it for 1 hour 30 minutes. Mostly we eat kenkey with hot chili sauce or black chili sauce, that is shito. So now that I'm waiting for my kenkey to be ready, I'm going to grind my chili sauce in my egg bowl. Me baby treat. Oh, now me dey dokunono. So I'm going to make 2 different chili sauce. I'm going to make green chili sauce and red chili sauce. I got tomato, garlic, onion, and ginger. Salt to give it a taste. Now we're going to check our kenkey. It's been cooking for 1 hour 30 minutes now. So to check that it's been cooked, just have to press it to see the softness. Yep. So now we're going to turn our heat off. Then we take our kenkey off the fire. So as you can see, our kenkey is cooked. I'm going to cut it so that you can see the softness. See how soft the kenkey is? See the softness? This is how your kenkey should be after cooking it. Very hot. We hit 1K subscribers. All thanks goes to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting Ama's Corner. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. If you're new on Ama's Corner, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Always like our videos and comment below and I will get back to you. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.